Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. A very good day to you all. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new chapter, which is chapter 3 in Shigley Mechanical Engineering Design textbook. Chapter 3 covers load and stress analysis. Okay. Actually, this is a revision subject because the focus of this book will be on the machine component. But to recap of what you have learned in other subject, which is the load and stress analysis, it is also an important part of this book. Okay, so this you should learn this load and stress analysis in other subject. Okay, and it's properly learn in other subject. Okay. Purpose of chapter 3 is for revision. Okay. Okay. Introduction to equilibrium. Okay. Equilibrium, the system is in equilibrium at rest or moving at constant velocity at zero acceleration. Okay, meaning that the things are static. Okay, whatever you see throughout in front of you that is static, that is not moving, it is in equilibrium. Okay, whether it is your smartphone on your desk, whether it is the cup on your desk, whether it is the the cables, the extension cables that you see on the road, when it is not moving, it is in equilibrium. Okay, so definition of free body diagram. Okay, free body diagram is isolate system apart or that show forces and movement acting on it. The purpose of free body diagram help to simplify complex problem by focusing on individual components. For example, crane arm. Okay, a free body diagram show force on the crane arm segment to calculate loads on joint. Of course, when you see anything throughout your day, okay, let's for example, this example given in crane arm, or example given is in this picture generated by artificial intelligence. Okay, all of this, if you want to calculate it, is so complex. But focus on one small thing only. Focus on one small thing. Let's say this, wherever, what part do you want to take? uh Focus on this small part and create the free body diagram on that one part only, and then you will not be confused. Okay, so uh benefit of free body diagram, it is visualize, provide clear visual representation of forces acting on the system. Step by step analysis, the free body diagram break down complex mechanical system for incremental problem solving. Also, it simplifies problem solving. It organizes assumption and reasoning to solving engineering challenges. Okay. For example, analyzing a ladder. Okay, a ladder equilibrium. Ladder is in static equilibrium with forces balance on the wall, at the wall and on the ground. Forces acting on the ladder, weight at the center, which is your own weight when you are climbing the ladder. Okay. Normal force on the ground, a wall, and friction force. Okay. Equilibrium forces using total F equals to 0 and total moment M equals to 0. So for unknown forces like friction. Okay. This is what the calculation part I leave to you so that you can learn from your respective professors. Okay. Okay, this topic is I want to cover. Hope it will become a revision for you lah. Okay, so thank you very much. That's all for the video right now. We meet in the next video. Okay.